Hello friend, now we are going to see how we can create a list of objects in an array. In last video we see how we can use array in an object, but similarly we can use array inside array we can declare object. For that we just use var and after that variable name. For example, I choose student and then we have to use equal then square bracket. If I want to use multiple object to store, then we have to just enter and use curly bracket. Then we have name like Amit, comma roll, which is nothing but one. And after that comma name, not name. I just copy and paste it 3 times. Okay, just copy, paste, and then paste here. I use 2 then 3 and here I change Harsh Divisha. Okay, now this is a list of object inside an array. Now what if we want to print this value? We know that if we have multiple value of array, then we can use for loop. We use for and after that a equals to 0, then a less than student dot length, not last length, and after that a plus plus. Now let's use document dot write, and here we provide student index a. If we save this, because this is an object, then it just shows us a object. Let's provide break here and let's save. You can see object. If you want to see this in console dot log, and here we provide student and let's save. You can see we get all the value of array object. You can see if you scroll down and just expand this, you can see the value and the length of the array. Okay, now if we want to print in document.write, we just use dot then property name, which is name, and after that if we want roll number, just use plus and then space and plus then student a and then dot roll roll and let's save. You can see Amit, Harsh, Divisha is printed with their roll number. Okay, this is how you can store object inside an array, and this is how you can print or get the value of the array. So that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend, and bye bye.